What is error code clearing in Whirlpool washers?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing an error code that you might encounter on Whirlpool washers, clearing. If you've ever seen this error code displayed on your washer's control panel and wondered what it means, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in.
What does the error code clearing mean?
The clearing error code in Whirlpool washers typically indicates a problem with the washer's internal memory or control system. When this error occurs, the washer is unable to complete its current cycle or proceed with any further operations until the issue is resolved.
Possible causes of the clearing error code.
Now, let's take a look at some of the potential causes behind the clearing error code 1. Power interruption. If there was a power outage or the washer was unplugged while in use, it can trigger the clearing error code as the washer's memory is disrupted. 2. Control board malfunction. A malfunctioning control board can also be a reason for the clearing error code. This could be due to a hardware failure, electrical issue, or software glitch. 3. Faulty wiring or connections. Loose or damaged wiring connections between the control board and other components can lead to communication errors, resulting in the clearing error code.
Troubleshooting steps to resolve the clearing error code.
If you encounter the clearing error code on your Whirlpool washer, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. 1. Power reset. Start by performing a power reset. Unplug the washer from the power outlet, wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in. This can often help clear minor glitches and restore normal operation. 2. Check wiring connections. Carefully inspect the wiring connections between the control board and other components. Ensure that all connections are secure and free from damage. If you find any loose or damaged wires, consider repairing or replacing them. 3. Contact Whirlpool support. If the error code persists after performing the above steps, it's advisable to contact Whirlpool's customer support. They have a better understanding of the specific error and can provide further guidance or schedule a service visit if necessary. And there you have it. Now you know what the clearing error code means in Whirlpool washers and how to troubleshoot it. Remember, the clearing error code usually indicates an issue with the washer's memory or control system. By following the troubleshooting steps we discussed, you can hopefully resolve the problem and get your washer back up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.